Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well. To make this immune boosting soup, you're going to need your noodle soup ramen, and you're just going to go ahead and follow the packet instructions to make this soup. Only thing though is that you make sure that your water boils before you put your noodles in. And one other tip, I always add the sachet seasoning about halfway through cooking just to intensify the flavors. The packet says that you're to add it towards the end, but I usually add it about halfway through cooking, and it really intensifies the flavor. So at this point now it's done, and I'm going to add my immune boosting ingredients. Yes, I'm going to show you exactly what I put in there, but just hold on, continue watching the video and I'll show you. Doesn't that look yummy, guys? Yes, very tasty and very good for your immune system. Now I'm going to show you what I put in there that makes it immune boosting. So I'm going to show you now, and you're going to use a 1/4 teaspoon or a 1/2 teaspoon depending on your lightness. So this is onion powder, and next we're going to use some garlic powder. You can use the natural garlic if you wish to, or if you have natural onion, you can use the natural onions instead of the powder. It's just quicker this way. And some ginger powder. Ginger is very good for your digestive system and overall health. And then you have some cayenne pepper that also helps your body and gives it that extra kick. And then after that, we're gonna use our turmeric. Turmeric is very good for you guys, and I know you can do the research for yourself online about the natural properties of turmeric. So these are the ingredients that I added to the soup to make it help to boost your immune system, especially at this time and what's going on around in the world. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.